The Saif attack mystery deepens. The accused, who is in police custody, has yet to be put through a facial recognition test. In the difference between the two images, it appears the grab from the CCTV has brightness enhanced and captured from two different angles. Several questions have emerged over the loopholes in details released in the investigation till now. The hospital was only 2 kilometers from Saif's residence. However, he was taken there nearly 1 hour 41 minutes after the attack. The attacker's knife broke into 3 pieces, but the third piece was recovered only a week later. Moreover, India Today has been told that Taimur took Saif to the hospital. However, it was the actor's friend Afsar Zaidi who came to finish the paperwork for him at the Leelavati hospital. Twists and turns continue in the Saif Ali Khan attack investigation. The actor finally recorded his version of events with the police, but his medical report added a fresh twist. It's now emerged that it was the Pataudi's friend who brought Saif to the hospital and not his son Taimur. But not just that, the accused's father is now claiming that the man in the CCTV footage is not his son.
Questions, loopholes and twist after twist. The Saif Ali Khan stabbing mystery continues to unravel. This medical report from the Leelavati hospital from 16th January has raised more questions about the events that unfolded. The document mentions Afsar Zaidi as the person who got the actor admitted to the hospital after the stabbing attack. It also says that Saif was admitted at 4:11 a.m. Sources say that Afsar Zaidi is a family friend who was called by Saif's family to handle paperwork at the hospital. He founded celebrity management firm Exceed Entertainment in 2005 and has represented major Indian actors like Hrithik Roshan, Priyanka Chopra and Saif himself. He also co-founded the apparel brand House of Pataudi with Saif Ali Khan. The details about Afsar Zaidi add further to the mystery surrounding the stabbing attack on Saif. Initial reports say that it was Saif's elder son, Ibrahim, who took Saif to the hospital in an auto. Then one of the doctors at Leelavati hospital declared that a bleeding Saif walked in like a lion with his 8-year-old son, Taimur. Police also corroborated that it was Taimur and male staff member that got Saif in an auto to the hospital. And now the hospital report names Afsar Zaidi as the man who got Saif admitted to the hospital. A week after he was stabbed at his own home, Saif Ali Khan's statement has been recorded by the Mumbai police. He has told the cops that him and Kareena were in their bedroom on the 11th floor when they hear their son Jay's nanny scream. Both Saif and Kareena rushed to Jay's room and saw a stranger standing there, who then attacked Jay's nanny. Saif then held the attacker and overpowered him, losing grip only after the accused stabbed him multiple times on the back and neck. Saif says that his staff then took Jay out of the room and locked in the attacker. Meanwhile, the police custody of attacker Shariful Islam has been extended till January 29th.
We have objected to the length. Already the investigation has been done regarding the weapon and everything. Everything has been done. It has been clearly stated in the court that the investigation related to the accused is over. Therefore, further police custody is not required. The investigation regarding the inquiry and the CDR and other things for which the accused custody is not required.
India Today has tracked down Shariful, alias Vijay Das' father, who claims that it is not his son in the CCTV video.
যে ছেলেকে অ্যারেস্ট করছে সেই ছেলে আমার, কিন্তু ভিডিও ফুটেজে যে ছবি দেখানো হচ্ছে সেই ওই ছবির ছেলে আমার না। কারণ আমি আমার ছেলেকে দেখেছি, সে তার বয়স 30 এবং সে দুই পাশে চুল থাকে এবং উপরে একটু বড়, তা কিন্তু সে ওই কপাল ঢেকে ওই চোখ পর্যন্ত এই ধরনের চুল সে রাখে না।
The police say that Saif's stabbing is a straight case of robbery gone wrong, but different versions emerging. There are big questions that continue to burn. With Vidya and Devesh Singh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.